Attentive greeting. My name is Karen Viviana Lozano Gomez, master's student in IT management at the National Open and Distance University UNAD. This time, I will share my experience in the development of practical component, management of services based on IT infrastructure using help desk tools, forum of the subject government and its service management using the tool FreshDesk. Introduction. In the present work is practical installs, configures, and analyzes the tool support service FreshDesk, which is a software based on the cloud that allows you to support your customers through traditional channels such as phone and email and through social channels like Facebook and Twitter. Step by step explains how the tool is used as administrator profiles, agent and contacts are created. As they create, the tickets are resolved, the customer satisfaction survey and report tickets shown. Objectives. Overall objective. Implement a help desk tool for managing IT infrastructure supported in accordance with the instructions and guidelines provided in the Guide for Processing Services. Specific objectives. FreshDesk install the tool. Configure tool FreshDesk. Create roles administrator, agent, and contacts in the FreshDesk tool. Manage incidents, problems related, events, and services the organization to use the help desk set. Generate reports on incidents in the care system. Make development report practical workshop using the tool selected for this case, FreshDesk. Document the installation, configuration, and operation support system. Make video using the tool FreshDesk. What is FreshDesk? FreshDesk is a cloud-based software that allows you to support your customers through traditional channels such as phone and email and through social channels like Facebook and Twitter. It provides high visibility and central control in dealing with IT issues to ensure that businesses do not suffer downtime. FreshDesk includes customer support, customer service, CRM applications, and a series of products that improve the connection, communication, and collaboration among the essential elements of a company. To begin using FreshDesk, the first thing that must be done is to enter the address that appears on screen. Here, on screen, we observe FreshDesk main page. We click on Register for free and show the following interface, where we will create our admin user. Enter name, last name, email, company, and phone, and finally, click on Register for free. Afterwards, the administrator user starts to configure. From this user, you can manage all the processes and options that the tool offers. Here we see framed in the red rectangle the panel of options to which they have access from the administrator role. The first is the information panel where the resolved pending tickets are summarized. It shows a general summary of the interactions within the system. As they are, the first going down are the tickets, ticket allocation, administration of the same. Here we see all the tickets that users have sent to the system. Followed by the contacts option. Here we create the different contacts or clients, and here all those created in the system are shown. Solutions. We can generate the necessary documentation or key that will allow us at a given time to respond to a particular problem. Forums. You can create discussions between clients and agents and respond to the issues presented in them. Reports are generated statistics of the different interactions of contacts or clients and agents. And administration, where the whole process of system administration is performed, different roles can be configured. After creating our account, we must activate it. The system sends an email where it tells us the steps to follow for the activity. We click on the option Activate Account. It sends us to a form where we place the password with which we will enter the system all the times we want. For the exercise, you must create the agent role for it, enter the administration panel. We click on Agent as shown in the image on the left side and enter the data requested in the right image. To that agent, the system sends an email to the associated email in which there is a link to activate your user in the system and place the password. Here we see the agent created. To create contact or customer in the system, we click on the ticket panel on the left side of the screen. Then click on New, Contact. This option is on the right at the top as shown in the image. Enter the contact data to create and click on Create located in the lower left. Here, we observe the data and the user or client created in the system. All the users created in the system for the company can be seen in the image. For activation of the client or contact user, the system sends an email to the email which contains a link in which you enter. It asks for an email and a password with which you will enter the system and activate the account. From the main screen of the client's role that we have just activated, the tickets are created as shown in the image. We click on Ticket Image 1. The screen of Image 2 is displayed. The client enters the ticket information, clicks on Create, and in Image 3, we see the ticket created by the client. Here we see the tickets created by the clients in the system for the company that can be of type, hardware, software, networks, etc. From the administrator role, we are going to assign those tickets created by the Image 1 clients to the created agent. To the agent's mail, the tickets that were assigned Image 2 arrive, and in Image 3, we see from the agent role the assigned tickets. In Image 1, we see the customer's ticket. In Image 2, we see a chat between the client and the agent where they interact, and this solves the inconvenience posed in the ticket. In Image 3, we see the answers to all the tickets assigned to the agent, and in Picture 4, we see all the tickets closed by the agent. From the role of administrator, entering the report panel, we can generate reports as shown in the image. Reports can be generated by different criteria such as ticket volume trends, load analysis, and satisfaction surveys can be generated as shown in Figure 4. For closed incidents, satisfaction surveys are generated. The agent clicks on the status of resolved Image 1. The user receives an email with the agent's response. The client enters the platform as indicated in image 2 and qualifies the agent very good, good, and bad as indicated by the red box. Thanks, agent 3, image, and closes the rating. Here we see the general panel where we see the customer satisfaction in the tickets and a satisfaction survey generated. Conclusion. After the workshop with the use of the tool FreshDesk concludes that prioritizes FreshDesk tickets and performs health checks, manages multiple mailboxes from one site, monitors and measures the quality of support, aligns customer expectations with agents. Every company should use service tools such as FreshDesk to the extent that this includes customer support, customer service, CRM applications, and a series of products that improve the connection, communication, and collaboration among the essential elements of a business. FreshDesk has a secure infrastructure with 99.9% availability, SSL encrypted servers, and IPs functionality trusted that facilitates access and restricting certain information to both customers and employees. FreshDesk gets tickets from anywhere. FreshDesk generates tickets automatically from the email client, mentions on Twitter, mentions and comments on your Facebook page. Your customers will also be able to create their own tickets from the self-service portal or even your agents directly from the phone service care.